Hi, I'm Shivam, a software engineer at Kapstan. In this video, I'm going to talk about cron jobs and how you can easily deploy them using Kapstan. Cron jobs are incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks, whether it's running backups, sending out regular reports, or performing routine maintenance. Cron jobs ensure these tasks are executed on a defined schedule without manual intervention. We recently added a new feature that allows you to deploy cron jobs via Kapstan seamlessly. To get started, we would need a network and a Kubernetes cluster configured that I have already created for the demonstration purpose. Now let's get started with creating our application. I'll create the application. I'll select cron job. I'll add the application name. After creating the application, I'll configure it. I'll add a container to the application. I'll select my container registry connection from where we'll fetch our container repository. I'll select the container repository and the image tag for that container. After creating the container, I'll be adding the schedule to the cron job. Schedule is what defines how frequently the cron job will run. I'll add the cron expression. As you can see, Kapstan transforms this cron expression into a human readable language. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have added a cron expression to run this cron job every minute. I'll add a time zone. I'll configure it so that Kapstan would retry it at least 2 times after the cron job fails, and I'll add a deadline of 120 seconds. I'll save it. Now our cron job should be ready to deploy. I'll go ahead and hit deploy. After a few minutes of deployment, as you can see that the cron job is triggered by Kapstan as per the schedule. Let me go to one of these logs and check the application logs. Everything seems to be working fine and as expected. Let me go ahead and change the version of this deployment. Let me select another container image and hit deploy. Alright, so the new version got deployed. Let's wait for a few minutes for Kapstan to trigger this cron job with the new version. After checking the latest deployment after upgrading the version, looks like something went wrong and few of my cron job deployments failed. Let me go to the logs and check what went wrong. So it says message environment variable is empty. So we are probably missing an environment variable. Let me just update that here. Let me save it and let me redeploy the containers. Let's wait for a minute for the new deployment to reflect. After adding the environment variable and deploying, looks like everything works as expected now. Let me check the logs again. It shows the message that we added in the environment variable. This was a simple demonstration of running cron job with Kapstan. We also provide advanced controls such as specifying which hardware your cron job should run on and setting CPU and memory limits to ensure it doesn't impact other applications running along with cron job. Kapstan offers much more than just cron jobs. You can set up an entire infrastructure from scratch within minutes and start deploying application on your own AWS or GCP. You can also view and search application logs and monitor system metrics like CPU and memory usage, as well as service level latencies. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.